just arrived. This is the Porsche Macan 2-litre petrol in the colour called Crayon with 3,300 miles on, with a massive specification, 2022, 22 registration. When a car like this isn't physically available, we've pulled it out the bag again. It's absolutely mega. Everything about it, specification, the way it drives, the way it sounds, reliability, modern, up-to-date, mid-size SUV, and it's a Porsche Macan, absolutely mega. So from the front, being the new model, you've got a nice soft approach to the LED style daytime running lights and the LED headlights. The colour itself is one of the best colours you can get in any Porsche product. You've then got obviously the LED daytime running lights down here, the more upgraded bumpers with the front diffuser, again all colour coded, front rear parking sensors, and then you've got the Porsche crest on the bonnet in colour and also on the wheels. High gloss black wheels in 19-inch in size, double spoke, 5-spoke wheels, which again in perfect condition, no curb damage, no corrosion, nothing like that. You've also got the black finish to the ring mirror stands here and the window surrounds as well. Even the door handles are finished in the same high gloss black, sun protection glass, and then the biggest and the most important extra on this car is a tilt and sliding panoramic roof. As for the interior, it's beautiful. Electric seats, a full leather interior with a bucket styling and the white stitching, and on the headrest, again, you have the Porsche crest embossed just there. The automatic gearbox with the paddle shift, multifunctional steering wheel, you've got heated seats on the front and you've got heated seats in the back. It's all touchscreen, touch sensitive, dual zone climate control, the high gloss black finish to the door cards, inlays, and the centre dash inlay here, which is lovely, with more metallic surroundings. Leather dashboard, the Porsche clock on the top there, with 3,000 miles, and you can see the stickers are still on there like it was still new. Reversing camera system, a nice big screen navigation with DAB digital radio, onboard computer. It's got literally everything, but it's the size of the car, the way it feels, the way it sounds, the way it looks, and it's a Porsche, so the build quality just comes hand in hand. It's such a good, reliable car and a good size SUV. Like I just stepped out there, you don't need to climb into it or dip into it. You step in, you step out. Like I said, you have rear heated seats. There's front airbags, side airbags, rear airbags. The white stitching continues round the back, and then you have the Crayon seat belts as well. Isofix attachments, 3-point seat belts, and you've got the centre armrest which comes down. Now the new model Porsche Macan, like a lot of the new model Porsches, you have that lovely continuous rear lighting system, which again looks super cool, with the clear lenses and the LED style rear indicators. The rear diffuser, as you can see, has changed ever so slightly, so it's got a bit more of a texture here. Big exhaust tailpipe facings there, and again that lovely F1 style rear slats. Parking sensors built in flush to the rear bumpers, and if you press this little button just below the window wiper, you have yourself the automatic tailgate. You can use the key to release it or press that button, but again, for a mid-size SUV, you've got a cracking boot space. The seats go down 40-40-20, so you can select what you want to put down to create that bigger boot area, or put a midsection down and put some skis through there or any long objects. The previous customers very kindly left in this rear boot sort of cover in rubber, and it keeps the car looking nice and clean and new for as long as possible. With 3,000 miles on, there's no damage on this car anywhere to be seen. There is no dents, there is no scratches, the wheels are in perfect condition. But remember, it's the little specs, all the black sections, the upgraded Porsche crests on the wheels, the automatic gearbox, the heated seats front and rear, the tilt and sliding panoramic roof, you've got all that. You've got a tracker with this car as well, cruise control, like I said, all this is touch sensitive, and this car also has the heated steering wheel, and the button for that is just behind there. When you put it in reverse, the reversing camera comes on automatically in high definition, and you have the guidelines there as well. It is, like I say, touchscreen, so it's very easy to use. If it's the applications you want to go on to, if it's just the car, media, you choose, it's all there. Twin cup holders, centre armrest pops with more USB just down there. But what a fabulous car, genuinely. The sound, that sounds good. Very good, as a matter of fact. And remember the 2-litre Porsche engine that they build, it's not your ordinary 2-litre engine you get in any ordinary car. They've got more than enough power. They return great miles per gallon, but it's the styling, and it's what you get in a Porsche Macan in the best colour, Crayon, with a massive specification. My name's Joe, my name and number's on the bottom of the screen. Give me a call, drop me a text or a WhatsApp. Thanks for watching, bye-bye.